Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to fix Google Play Services keeps stopping problem on Android. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The first method you can try is restarting your device. To do this, unlock the screen of your phone. Press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. The Google Play Store and Google Play Services both support Google's apps. If anything goes wrong, we recommend wiping data on both services. For this, navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications. Here you will see all apps and find the Google Play Store. On the Apps page, choose Storage and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Repeat this process for Google Play Services. You may need to tap the menu button in the corner and choose Show System to reveal it. Finally, restart your phone. The next method is to remove your Google account from the device. This will app files and caches causing this error. To do so, you have to open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down to locate Accounts and Sync. Tap on Google. To remove the account, click on More and tap on Remove Account. Your Google account and all its associated file data will be deleted. Sign into your account again by tapping on Google and adding your account. Outdated devices OS can cause various glitches, including Google Play Services keep stopping. Consider updating the operating system to fix it. Open Settings, go to the System. Then, tap on the About Phone Software Update. After that, check for updates. If there is any latest OS version is available, tap on Download and Install. You can even uninstall the Google Play updates to solve Google Play Services keeps stopping error. To do so, open your Settings app, Apps/Applications, or App Management, then tap on App List. Now search for the Google Play Store app. Here, you will get two dots icon at the top right corner of your phone screen. Tap on it. Here, you will see Uninstall Updates option. Tap on it. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Android app-related problems, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair tool. Besides this issue, it can fix other Android and Samsung system errors easily. To try this software, click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about fixing Google Play Services keeps stopping error on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.